Welcome to our SmartSheet Tutorial Series. SmartSheet is a powerful work management and automation platform designed to improve collaboration and streamline processes. It offers a variety of tools for project management, task tracking, and workflow automation, making it ideal for teams of all sizes. Today, we'll discuss several date formulas that can be used in SmartSheet. Date formulas allow you to filter data based on specific dates or date ranges, which make them very useful in generating reports. We will show how to return the following date values. Today's date, the date for Friday of the current week, the date of next Friday, the start date for the current month, the start date for next month. Let's begin. To ensure these formulas return a date value, we need to set the column type to date. You can do this by double-clicking the column header and selecting Date as the column type. Let's start with our first example, where we return today's date. In the selected cell, type an equal sign to indicate you are entering a formula. Type today, open parentheses, closed parentheses, and press Enter. This formula will return today's date. In the next example, we'll use the weekday formula to find the date for a specific day of the week. The weekday formula assigns numeric values to days of the week, with 1 for Sunday and 7 for Saturday. For instance, to find the date for next Friday, we combine the weekday and today functions to determine if today's weekday value is greater than the target value of 6 for Friday. If the condition is true, the formula calculates the date for Friday of the next week. If the condition is false, it returns the date for Friday of the current week. Let's break down this formula. If today is Saturday, July 6, 2024, the weekday value for Saturday is 7, which is greater than 6. This makes the condition true, indicating today is after Friday of the current week. The formula will then calculate the date for Friday of the next week. To calculate the date for Friday of the next week, we take today's date and add 13 minus the weekday value of the target day of the week. In our example, the target day of Friday has a weekday value of 6. Adding 7 to this weekday value equals 13. If we were trying to calculate the date for Monday of the next week, we would use a value of 9 instead of 13, as Monday's weekday value of 2 plus 7 equals 9. In the next example, we will demonstrate how to use a combination of the month, day, and year formulas to return the start date of the current month. The formula works as follows. The year and month are determined using the today function to get today's date, while the day value is manually set to 1. If today is July 6, 2024, the formula returns July 1, 2024, as the first day of the month. You can change the 1 in the day function to any other number to return a different date within the current month. For example, to return the 21st day of the current month, change the 1 to 21. This would return a date of July 21, 2024. To return the start date for the next month, use the same formula but add 1 to the month function and change the day back to 1. This would return a value of August 1, 2024. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.